Hello everyone! Hi! My name is Jemma if you didn't already know, and if you didn't know, hi! My name is Jemma and welcome back. Today I have a very special unboxing try-on haul for you today. Devil Inspired was so kind enough to send me one of their dresses and also sponsor this video, so yay! Sponsorship! I get to pay my rent! But yes, Devil Inspired sent me this dress to unbox for you guys and try it on and coordinate. So for those of you that don't know, Devil Inspired is an online Lolita fashion store. They actually sell hundreds of Lolita fashion brands and they're all very affordable. You can shop on Devil Inspired to get a lot of your favorite Taobao Lolita brands all on one platform. If you're like me, I don't really know or enjoy navigating Taobao. Devil Inspired basically makes it super easy for you to just go on this one website and grab a bunch of different affordable Lolita pieces, put it in one cart. The packages from those individual brands will arrive in their warehouse, and then once it's there, they will ship it out to you. Their website is really easy to navigate, and they have some really adorable stuff that I wouldn't have even known that it existed otherwise. I know a lot of you guys complain that a lot of the dresses that I feature on my channel are very pricey, and that is true. So this video is for you if you are looking for more budget-friendly and affordable Lolita options. So definitely check out Devil Inspired if you haven't yet, and let's go on and get into this unboxing. And don't forget to stick to the end of the video because I do have a coupon code for you, so stay tuned for that. Let's go! The dress that they sent to me today is called Teddy's Birthday Party Detachable Heart-Shaped Bodice Lolita Dress OP. I was able to pick my cut and colorway, and I chose the blue OP because I thought it was the cutest. And I got it in a size M. I'm excited to see what the quality is like because you guys know I'm very used to my angelic pretty. Let's go ahead and dive on into this bag. Let's unbag the bag. Do. I didn't want to rip it, but I'm gonna rip it. Sometimes I like to reuse them, you know? Reduce, reuse, and a kiki! All right, here's a peek into the bag. You can't see anything. Let's grab it out. Oh, it's so bright and cute. Look at the cute little teddy bear. Oh my. Always gotta go in for the sniff. Does it sniff like anything? Kind of smells like a Home Depot. What's this thing on top? Oh, I didn't know. What? On top there's like this little bow clip. Oh, there's a couple. Look at that. It is literally just like a tiny little bow with pom-poms on it. They gave me these little ribbons. This is so exciting because I can definitely like put these around on my other coordinates, and I think that they will match a lot of other stuff that I have as well. Yay. Oh, the bear has the word friends on it. Yes, we are friends, bear. Okay, I don't know if it has anything else falling out. I think it's just the dress next. Oh, that is really nice fabric. Oh, that is hefty. Hefty. Because the cost is so low, I was expecting it to be like really lightweight and flimsy and maybe like not have a lot of beefy structure to it, you know, but it's like, it's got some weight to it. Here is a little removable heart panel that has it's really cute. It has this adorable bear, and it also has this like, I think it's a sign that says happy birthday next to it. What else does it say? May you be happy forever. Same. It's got like a couple of different laces on it. And then on the back, there's just these little safety pins so you can take it off if you like, or you can move it around on the dress or even put it on something else. Like, I feel like this would be really cute on like a tote bag. Just saying. Let's check out the dress, okay? Oh, something did fall. Oh, the waist ribbon fell. It's not waist ties, but a ribbon that you can tie around your waist in this really cute sax blue color. Love it. Plop. Now it's the dress. Oh my. Oh, I definitely need a hanger to like take in its beauty. It has sprinkles. I love the sprinkles. Let's go ahead and put it on a hanger so I can bask in its glory. Oh wow. It's It's really cute. So this is the OP. This OP does not have back shirring, so be sure to check the measurements and the size chart and get the size that is going to fit you comfortably. They have a ton of sizes. I think this came in like M, L, XL, and XXL. Like, honestly, more Lolita brands need to be actually having size options, so this is amazing. Why don't we all just take a moment to appreciate an actual size range? Thank you. And also, this specific brand, which is called Lollipop's Lolita, is actually Devil Inspired's like own brand. First off, there's this adorable Peter Pan collar, and it's finished with this cotton heart lace, very cute. Underneath, you have a very little tiny yoke design. I love me a good yoke. I love it in clothing and I love it in eggs. So very cute. And then surrounding the yoke design, there are two different types of lace. The same kind of heart lace that was on the collar, but also has this small rainbow heart trim. It also has these balloon short sleeves with elastic, and that elastic it's got a lot of stretch. Again, it's lined with that gorgeous heart lace. Super cute. The bodice is quite simple. It looks like there's a couple of darts here. In terms of the print, we have some whipped cream going down in this vertical design. We've got balloons with ribbons. We have some candy as a stars, hearts, and little teddy bears. On the waist, there are little tiny loopholes, so you can go ahead and put that belt on and it will stay nicely in place. And then as you go down on the skirt, you see more of those balloons and the whipped cream and that vertical sort of pattern. And the border print, it has giant birthday cakes and giant stuffed animals. We've got this yellow birthday cake, this pink bear, we've got this pink birthday cake, a purple bunny, we've got that same sign, a brown bear, and another cake, and then it just repeats that pattern. At the very end, there is this ruffle trim that has this cute sort of birthday streamers pattern on it. So cute. Let's take a look at the back. The collar also has a Peter Pan cut to it on the back. Do we have a zipper? Do we not? No zipper? Oh, there is. Oh, it's just, oh, there is a zipper, but I literally couldn't tell. It was like tucked away very nicely. So there is a zipper that you can get in and out of right here in the middle seam. That's your dress. I'm very excited to go ahead and try this on and see what it looks like on me. So why don't we go ahead and go on to the try on portion. Let's go. Okay, I have the dress on now and I have a lot of things to say. I am very, very impressed with its construction. For under $100, I didn't really expect that much, but it's actually really well made. The polyester is nice and thick. It's not shiny, it's not costumey. It's really high quality and very well made. Right now, I have it with the heart detail off just to show what it looks like without that. I put on the belt and the ribbon clip. I coordinated it with a simple pink hair clip and some cute gummy bear earrings, some wrist cuffs, a few bracelets, these adorable socks, and just some cute Saks blue flats. I think it is so cute. I am loving all of the details and it is extremely comfortable. The waist sits at your natural waist. The puff sleeves are adorable, good amount of puff. It's comfortable to wear. The skirt is the perfect length. It actually hits me at the top of my knees. The skirt can also hold a giant poof. That was one of my concerns, is like, is it gonna be able to hold a lot of poof? And absolutely, a lot of poof and then some. I am so pleased with this. I look like I'm going to a birthday party. It's so cute. Yes, this is what it looks like without the heart applique. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with it on. Here I have it on the bust. Very cute, very adorable, and you can also put it on your waist. This kind of makes it look like a little apron, and I thought that that was really cute. Stay tuned on my Instagram to see the other ways that I coordinate this dress, and if you're not already, go ahead and follow that right now. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below, would you wear this dress? Don't forget to check out devilinspired.com, and if you do, you can use this coupon code here to get a percentage off or some other type of benefit when you shop on devilinspired.com. Again, huge thank you for Devil Inspired for sponsoring this video. Keep on smiling, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!